Stars, planets, galaxies.
Who explores space?
Astronauts and scientists.
What's a spaceship?
Vehicle for space travel.
Why explore space?
Learn about the universe.
What's a rocket?
Takes things to space.
What's an astronaut?
Space explorer in suits.
How do they breathe?
With special space suits.
What's a telescope?
Sees faraway things.
What's a planet?
Big round space rock.
What's the moon?
Earth's natural satellite.
What's a star?
Glowing ball in space.
What's a galaxy?
Many stars together.
How far is space?
Very, very far.
What's a space station?
Home in space.
What's the ISS?
International Space Station.
How do rockets work?
Burn fuel, go up.
What's a comet?
Icy space thing.
What's a satellite?
Orbits Earth, sends signals.
Who's Neil Armstrong?
First on the moon.
What's a probe?
Explores space far.
What's a meteor?
Falling space rock.
How's Mars explored?
With rovers and probes.
What's gravity?
Pulls things to Earth.
What's a spacesuit?
Keeps astronauts safe.
What's a black hole?
Strong gravity spot.
How's space cold?
No air to keep warmth.
What's a meteorite?
Space rock on Earth.
What's a mission?
Space journey's goal.
What's NASA?
Space agency in U.S.
What's an orbit?
Path around a planet.
What's a galaxy?
Group of many stars.
What's an alien?
Life from space.
What's the sun?
Our star in space.
What's a launch?
Rocket takeoff time.
What's a crater?
Hole on a planet.
What's space travel?
Journey through space.
What's a shuttle?
Flies to space and back.
What's an eclipse?
Moon hides sun.
What's a spacewalk?
Float outside. Explore.
What's a star map?
Shows stars at night.
What's a galaxy made of?
Stars, gas, dust.
What's a countdown?
Numbers before launch.
How's weightless?
No gravity in space.
What's a space base?
Launching point to space.
What's an astronaut do?
Science. Repair in space.
What's an asteroid?
Space rock in orbit.
How do we breathe?
Air in space suits.
What's a space camp?
Learn space things.
What's a space race?
Countries race to space.
What's a space probe?
Sends info from space.
What's a UFO?
Unidentified flying object.
What's a satellite do?
Sends signals. Takes pics.
How's Earth from space?
Round, blue and green.
What's a space scientist?
Studies space things.
How does space look?
Dark with stars.
What's the Milky Way?
Our galaxy's name.
What's a space telescope?
Sees far in space.
What's a space shuttle?
Takes crew to space.
What's a launch pad?
Place rockets start.
How's space quiet?
No air, no sound.
What's a rocket fuel?
Makes rockets go.
What's a spaceport?
Launching place for rockets.
What's a space crew?
Astronauts together.
How's the space station?
People live, work there.
What's a space trip?
Journey to the stars.
How's space explored?
Rockets, rovers, telescopes.
What's a space module?
Part of space station.
How's the moon explored?
With spaceships, robots.
What's an alien look like?
Unknown, maybe green.
What's a space lab?
Place for space science.
What's space adventure?
Exploring beyond Earth.
What are values?
Important beliefs we have.
Why are values important?
They guide our choices.
What's kindness?
Being nice and helpful.
What's honesty?
Telling the truth always.
What's respect?
Treating others kindly and politely.
What's sharing?
Giving things to others.
What's responsibility?
Doing tasks and duties.
What's fairness?
Treating everyone equally.
What's empathy?
Understanding how others feel.
What's teamwork?
Working together for goals.
What's patience?
Waiting without getting upset.
What's courage?
Facing fears with bravery.
What's loyalty?
Sticking by friends always.
What's gratitude?
Being thankful for things.
What's forgiveness?
Letting go of anger.
What's integrity?
Doing right. Being honest.
What's generosity?
Giving without expecting back.
What's determination?
Not giving up easily.
What's self-respect?
Treating yourself kindly too.
What's humility?
Not thinking you're better.
What's perseverance?
Trying till success.
What's family?
People we love, care.
What's friendship?
Being a good friend.
What's learning?
Gaining knowledge, skills.
What's nature?
Earth, plants, animals.
What's freedom?
Having choices, no limits.
What's health?
Feeling strong, well.
What's creativity?
Making new things, ideas.
What's responsibility?
Doing what's needed, right.
What's sharing?
Giving, being kind always.
What's teamwork?
Together, work, help.
What's friendship?
Caring, fun, good times.
What's empathy?
Understand how others feel.
What's fairness?
Treat all equal, justly.
What's courage?
Brave, face fears.
What's respect?
Polite, treat kindly.
What's kindness?
Nice, helpful, gentle.
What's honesty?
Always tell truth.
What's loyalty?
Stick by friends.
What's gratitude?
Thankful, appreciate.
What's forgiveness?
Let go of anger.
What's generosity?
Share, give freely.
What's integrity?
Honest, do right.
What's determination?
Keep trying, no stop.
What's family?
Loved ones, at home.
What's learning?
Gain knowledge, skills.
What's nature?
Earth's plants, animals.
What's freedom?
Choices, no limits.
What's health?
Feel strong, well.
What's creativity?
Make new things.
What's responsibility?
Do what's needed.
What's sharing?
Give, be kind.
What's teamwork?
Together, work.
What's friendship?
Caring, fun.
What's empathy?
Understand feelings.
What's fairness?
Treat all equal.
What's courage?
Be brave, face.
What's respect?
Be polite, kind.
What's kindness?
Be nice, gentle.
What's honesty?
Tell truth, always.
What's loyalty?
Stay with friends.
What's gratitude?
Be thankful.
What's forgiveness?
Let go of anger.
What's generosity?
Share, give.
What's integrity?
Be honest, right.
What's determination?
Keep trying, no stop.
What's family?
Loved ones, at home.
What's learning?
Gain knowledge, skills.
What's nature?
Earth's plants, animals.
What's freedom?
Choices, no limits.
What's health?
Feel strong, well.
What's creativity?
Make new things.
What's responsibility?
Do what's needed.
What's sharing?
Give, be kind.
What's teamwork?
Together, work.